Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. This is the place where you get the best in local and international news on celebrities. Coming up on the Scoop for today, international track star Asafa Powell and his wife are expecting a second child. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please do the golden rule and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest celebrity news. We'll be right back after the break with the details.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. So congratulations are in high order for international track star Asafa Powell after news spread that he is expecting his second child with his wife. This is not the second child for Asafa Powell. This will be actually his third child. And news spread of this on social media, sending outpouring of love and support for their former track star. So with this said, the two tied the knot back in a private ceremony on February 16, 2019 in Montego Bay, St. James, in the presence of their close friends and family members. The wedding followed their engagement in 2018 after Powell proposed. The move being kept on the wraps until Miller shared the hot news later that year on social media. So this news was shared on their social media platform about them expecting their second child. And we're going to share just a short clip of that with you right now from their social media platform. So let's go over to that right now on our screen.
Guys, we are pregnant. No, we. She's pregnant. See the little baby tree. Remember?
But you would think that it's we because he's had all of my symptoms and stuff. So he's been eating for two, like he's the one that's pregnant. But yeah, we are pregnant. We are expecting. I was laughing at some of your guys' comments throughout my first trimester. Are we stuck again?
Go ahead.
So I was reading.
Well, there you have it. That was Asafa Powell and his wife confirming that news about them expecting their second child. As you could see there, the two seem very happy to commemorate this moment, and I can tell you that the fans are just waiting for this moment to be there to actually see what's happening in relation to this. I know that Asafa Powell, they will keep their fans up to date on their social media platform, and we here at Links007 TV as well just want to congratulate the two on this achievement, I would say, or this new child that is on the way per se. I hope that and wish them all the best in this, and I hope that everything that goes well for them both. But you can just drop it in the comment section, let me know how you feel about this story, and just continue to support the movement of Links007 TV. This is where we say so long and peace out for now. Bless from Links007 TV family, and have a blessed and productive day. One love.